Let's learn about finding distance between horizontally aligned points. Find the distance between points C, -4, -2, and D, 5, -2 on the coordinate plane. Let's get a quick sketch of this. We have our X and Y here, and our first point C and D, these 2 points both share the same Y value of -2. So we have -2 right here. C has an X value of -4, so we have -4, so like right here, that's going to be C. And D has an X value of +5, about here. And that point right there is D. So we can see they're horizontally aligned here. So we only want to find the difference between their X values. So we're going to take the absolute value of our first X value, -4, and subtract that from our second X value, point D, 5. Well, -4 minus 5 is like plus a -5. So we have a -9 here. -4 plus -5 is -9. And the absolute value of a -9 is a +9. And so the distance between these 2 points, C and D, is 9 units. I hope you learned something here about finding distance between horizontally aligned points. And as always, thanks for watching.